Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Haakaa Bottle Brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any parent looking to keep their baby's feeding accessories impeccably clean and hygienic, ensuring that every feeding session is as safe and healthy as possible. This innovative brush is designed with both effectiveness and ease of use in mind, tackling stubborn milk residue and hard-to-reach corners with its unique bristle design and ergonomic handle, making the often tedious task of bottle cleaning a breeze. Number 5. Haakaa Manual Silicone Breast Pump. Introducing the Haakaa Manual Breast Pump, designed for modern breastfeeding mothers. Its simple, one-piece design makes expressing milk easy and efficient. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this pump offers a gentle and comfortable experience. The soft material adheres securely, creating a natural suction to collect your milk. With a 4 ounces 100 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for on-the-go use. Its compact size fits discreetly into any diaper bag or purse. No complicated parts means no fuss. Simply sterilize, attach, and let it work its magic. Cleaning is just as straightforward, saving you precious time. Capture let-down milk while nursing on the other side, or use it to relieve engorgement. It's an eco-friendly way to build your milk stash without waste. This manual pump is a must-have for any breastfeeding journey. Experience the convenience and effectiveness that so many mothers have come to love. What we like? This offers unparalleled simplicity for cleaning your baby's feeding essentials. Its one-piece silicone design ensures no hidden crevices for bacteria. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to clean delicate items without harsh scrubbing, this is your go-to. What people say? The way it pulls all the milk out with a continuous suction, I get more milk using these than anything I've ever used. They're easy to wash. My husband hated washing my electric pump, but never complains when asked to wash these. I use it on my bare breast without a bra when nursing. When nursing it stays on rather well, except sometimes my baby likes to kick it off, but it depends on your nursing position. Number 4. 5-pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our 5-pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. This comprehensive set includes a long-handled brush and multiple straw brushes, perfect for all your cleaning needs. Each brush features a comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip. Plus, hanging holes allow for easy storage and drying, keeping your space tidy. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, these brushes ensure safe and healthy cleaning. The soft brush heads are gentle on surfaces, preventing scratches. Effectively clean a wide variety of items, from sport bottles and coffee mugs to baby bottles and even hummingbird feeders. Its round head design reaches every corner. Our mission is to simplify your chores and contribute to a cleaner world. We stand by our product, so please reach out if you encounter any issues. What we like? This set provides a comprehensive solution for all your bottle cleaning needs. With a long handle and specialized straw brushes, it reaches every corner. If you have a variety of bottles, tumblers, or sports bottles with narrow openings, this versatile set will make cleaning a breeze. What people say? The 3 different sizes of mini brushes are very helpful for a variety of water bottles and straws. I like the extra long length of the 2 larger brushes, plus the metal handle is solid and inflexible. Cleans away down into bottles or long shapes if you're using bottles and jars. It pipe cleaner style. Their bottle brushes are good for any type or size of bottle. There are several pieces for a long reach. They are very durable. Number 3. 12 PCS Straw Cleaner Brush Kit. Introducing a comprehensive set of 12 cleaning brushes, designed to tackle any tube or pipe. From narrow straws to larger openings, these tools ensure a thorough clean every time. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel and durable nylon bristles, each brush is built to last. They are resistant to bending and flexible, making them perfect for cleaning straws of various shapes and sizes. This set offers a wide range of diameters from 2 mm to 25 mm, with bristle lengths up to 10 inches. They are ideal for cleaning reusable straws, tumblers, water bottles, and many other popular brands. Cleaning is effortless. Just insert, twist, and rinse. The soft yet durable bristles effectively clean without scratching, leaving no fuzz behind unlike other cleaners. Designed for longevity, these brushes are flexible and strong. Beyond straws, they are perfect for cleaning narrow tubes, sink drains, feeders, and other hard-to-reach areas around your home. Each set comes with a detachable hanging ring, providing a simple and convenient way to store your brushes when not in use. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate precision in cleaning narrow openings. Its wide array of sizes and bendable stainless steel construction tackles even the most intricate tubes. If you frequently use reusable straws, sippy cups, or hummingbird feeders, this set ensures thorough hygiene for all your accessories. What people say. The silicone bristles are gentle on bottles but tough on milk residue. The brush has a flexible neck that allows it to reach all corners of the bottle. It comes with a stand that keeps the brush upright and hygienic. Number 2. Haakaa Gen 3 Natural Glass Baby Bottle. Meet the Haakaa Gen 3 Natural Glass Baby Bottle, designed for your little one's comfort. Its wide neck and anti-colic slow-flow nipple are perfect for newborns aged 0 months and up. This bottle is crafted with a slow-flow nipple, ideal for breastfed babies. It ensures a natural feeding experience from the very first use. Made from BPA-free, natural glass, it prioritizes your baby's health. You can trust its safe and durable construction for everyday use. As a newborn registry essential, this bottle simplifies feeding for new parents. It's a practical addition to your baby care essentials. This 4.2 ounces 120 milliliters bottle is perfectly sized for newborn feedings. It's easy to handle and ideal for on the go or at home. Choose the Haakaa Gen 3 for a natural, safe, and convenient feeding solution. It's designed to support your baby's healthy development. What we like. This is a premium option focused on providing a natural feeding experience. The glass material is easy to clean and safe, while the anti-colic nipple supports a comfortable feed. If you are a new parent prioritizing a safe, high-quality bottle that mimics natural feeding, this is an excellent choice for your newborn. What people say. The brush is designed to clean narrow neck bottles and has a long handle for better reach. It effectively removes milk residue and reaches all corners of the bottle. The silicone bristles are gentle on bottles but tough on residue. Number 1. ELDR Supply Bottle Brush. Introducing the ELDR Supply Bottle Brush, your new go-to for a sustainable clean. It's designed to tackle all your cleaning needs, from kitchenware to beyond. With its extra long handle, reaching those tricky spots in bottles and jars is now effortless. It's perfect for glassware and containers, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Crafted from 100% natural and biodegradable materials, this brush helps you reduce plastic waste. Its design prioritizes sustainability without compromising on effectiveness. The strong sisal hemp bristles are vegan and incredibly durable, perfect for scrubbing away tough stains. They maintain their shape, offering a reliable cleaning performance. Keep your brush in top condition by hand washing it upon arrival and allowing it to air dry. Store it in an open space to ensure it stays dry and ready for its next use. This versatile tool isn't just for the kitchen, it can also be used for cleaning washroom appliances. Its multi-purpose nature makes it a valuable addition to your home. What we like. This brush champions sustainability with its natural materials and zero-waste design. The sturdy beechwood handle and strong hemp bristles are built to last and effectively scrub. If you are committed to reducing plastic waste and prefer eco-friendly, durable cleaning tools for your kitchenware, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It has mostly replaced my sponge for cleaning dishes or pans under running water, as my hands stay dry and the stiffness of the bristles works very well. It gets the oatmeal scum or rice residue out of my pots. I like the plastic-free aspect in the new era of concern over nanoplastic exposure in foods and wastewater. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.